Welcome into this video. After generating eTiMS compliant invoice and credit note, in some instance you are usually required to validate if the invoice has been synchronized with the KRA servers, or the correct CU number in the invoice is the correct control unit invoice number, which we abbreviate as CU number. In order to do that, you usually require to get into the iTax portal and verify if that CU number is the correct number. So what we usually do, you need to create the invoice number checker. Let me click above it. So after clicking above it, it takes you to this window where it is named as the invoice checker. To check if the invoice is correct and showing the correctly synchronized CU number, you need to click here, get back into where your invoice is. So I need to counter check this CU number from the invoice which I have generated from KRA. So let me take this CU number here. So I will copy it and then I will come with that CU number here. Let me minimize this window and come back here and input this CU number here, and I can validate. So as you can see, if your invoice is eTiMS compliant, when you validate, you can see this metadata in your invoice. So this is where you usually identify the eTiMS compliant invoice and non-compliant invoice. So what you can notice that there is no way when your quantity which you delivered can be zero. If it is zero, you'll be getting zero amount as the amount of tax which can be problematic with the revenue authority. So we check another invoice which has been transmitted using eTiMS. So let me come here and come under this interface. I'll come and check a credit note here, which is here. This is a credit note which I passed using also the KRA servers. So just copy the number in this credit note, and then I get back into the iTax portal, which is here. And I input that number here and click continue. No. I'm entering the PIN. Okay, we need to get into the invoice number checker, which is here. Then we need to input that number here of the credit note and see how it have written off that amount. You can see it contains the negative, seeing it have been able to write off the amount in the invoice which might be erroneous. So what we need to do and what I validate is if you can be able to pass a partial credit note using the eCitizen portal to write off some amount in the invoice which you had generated. So thank you for watching. This is how we usually use invoice checker in KRA to check if our invoices and credit notes are correctly fiscalized with the iTax environment. So thank you for watching, and may Almighty God bless you. In case you have any query regarding eTiMS, withholding tax, income tax, and all the taxations you need to know more so in the African region, you can get back to me and we can have that conversation. So thank you for watching, and may God bless you. So you can get my contact in the description, where you can call me using my contact or through my email, and we can have a personal conversation. So you can put in the comment section if the video is helpful, so that you can make it be promoted to the other viewers, so that they can learn how you can check correctly fiscal